hot, hot. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Okay, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. Let me show you what we did here. Well, what I did here. Okay, so let's start here. I fried some country style ribs, and I smothered some with pepper and onions in there with thyme, rosemary. I put some oh my God, Worcestershire sauce in that gravy instead of allspice this time. And this is butter cornbread. It's just a cup of flour, a cup of cornmeal, about a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, I think about a cup of, I'm not a measurer, okay? About a cup of milk. And here's the fried ribs. Here's the okra. And here's the Southern style string beans that I can't stop eating. That's string beans, potatoes, smoked, oh God, I'm so tired. Smoked neck bones, okay? And if you watch the video, you'll see everything that I seasoned all this food with. Now I'm upset because, you know how much Pyrex costs, right? So, this bowl here, I sat the top to go to this, I sat it on the eye of the stove and I hadn't turned the eye off, so I melted it. So, yeah. Now, I don't even know how to get another one without buying a whole nother thing. But anyway, things happen, right? Happy Sunday, though. The dinner came out really good. I ate so much while I was cooking it that I'm full now. So I'll be back down later. But, yep, put a lot of love into what you do. This video will be posted up on, oh, I got it wrong. Will be posted up on In the Kitchen with Cindy. My YouTube. Boy, when I get tired, I get dipsy whipsy, boy. I can't think now. I'm tired. But it'll be on, YouTube, the regular places, okay? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And try it out sometimes and let me know. Leave me some comments or something. I'd like to read what you're thinking about stuff or what you might want to suggest. Any, offers of doing things better or doing it a different way. I'm open like that, okay? You ain't gonna hurt this girl's feelings. I am open, okay? I appreciate it. So anyway, have a good Sunday. The rest of it, and I'll see you later, okay? Bye.